all around the nation are flying in their warbirds to Tulsa this weekend. And 2 News reporter Patricia Santos is live to show us what we can expect to see. Good morning, Patricia.
Hey, good morning. Well, Jim Ellis joins me all the way from Guthrie.
Guthrie, yeah.
Not too far.
Not too
now,
far.
You got started in this with your mom, right?
My mom, I was born in 1956, and she got me started probably when I was 10 or 12 years old with just a little small 049 control line. And then 1971, I started building giant scale and radio controlled models.
And tell me what we're seeing here.
You're seeing a 33% of a 1941 PT-17 Stearman. It was used for primary trainer in World War II.
Now, people have called you, they love your work. Talk to me about that.
They love my work because I'm a stickler for detail. I mean, it's got every rib stitch on it, the pilot's in it, the control stick's in it, and this took a year. To do.
And this is an expensive hobby. I mean, this plane alone could cost $10,000?
There's about 10 grand in this airplane.
This is with the engine and everything else?
That's with the engine and everything, the paint, and that's not counting your labor and time involved in it. There's nobody can put a price on your labor.
Now, you own 14.
14 of these, yeah.
That's a lot of money.
It's a lot.
How many of them have you crashed?
I haven't crashed. The last one I crashed probably 10 or 12 years ago.
Well, you're finally becoming a real pilot.
Yeah. Well, the electronics are so great today, and the batteries are so great. You know, this airplane has a backup for the backup. You know, you just treat it like a full-scale airplane. You inspect it and pre-flight it just like you're going to get in and fly it. And if you do all that, do your homework, and keep your notes on it and a logbook on it, you won't have no trouble.
And you also have some real flying experience as a pilot, so.
I flew for years in the early 70s, and when I started farming with Dad, he said that was enough flying. I snuck off and done 20 hours in a Bell 47 helicopter like you see on MASH. When he found out about that, he said, boy, that's enough of that. We're going to farm. And we farmed for years west of Guthrie.
And that's when you took it back into this?
Took it back, got back into this, and it snowballed from there.
All right. Well, we'll hope to see you up in the air pretty soon.
Okay.
Brianne, we'll send it back to you.
The fly-in is happening right now and runs until 5 o'clock. It's also from 9 until noon tomorrow. Admission and parking are free. For more information, go to TulsaGlueDaubers.com.